Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Fluent English. I'm your host, Maya.
And I'm Daniel. It's great to be here, Maya. I've been looking forward to this episode all week.
Same here. Today's topic is one every learner needs, the English mistakes you don't even know you're making every single day.
Yes, the sneaky ones. The ones that look small, sound harmless, but change the meaning or make your English less natural without you realizing it.
Exactly. And some of these mistakes are so common that even advanced learners repeat them automatically.
Absolutely. And sometimes no one corrects you because native speakers understand the meaning anyway, so learners think it's fine.
Right. But once you fix them, your speech sounds clearer, smoother, and much more confident.
So today, we're going to break them down, gently, with love, with humor, and maybe with a few embarrassing stories from my teaching experience.
Haha, I love those stories. Okay, Daniel, let's start with one of the biggest mistakes, using too many words to sound polite.
Yes, learners often think politeness equals long, complicated sentences, like, "Can you please kindly help me with this small little thing?"
But really, "could you help me with this?" is perfectly polite.
Exactly. English politeness comes more from tone than from long sentences.
Right. You can be extremely polite with just 4 words if your tone is soft.
And learners often add too many fillers. Actually, basically, literally, only, just, everywhere.
Oh, yes. I just literally actually wanted to basically ask you something. That sentence is crying for help.
Haha, yes. Remove 3 of those and you sound like a native speaker.
Exactly. Less is more. Okay, the next famous one, I'm agree.
Oh, the classic. It should be, I agree.
Right, because agree is a verb, not an adjective.
Same with I'm understand. It should be, I understand.
These mistakes happen because many languages use a to be verb before opinions.
Exactly. But English doesn't. And fixing this one alone makes your speech sound instantly cleaner.
Another big one, he don't and she don't.
Yes, it should be he doesn't, she doesn't.
Learners know the rule, but fast speech makes them forget.
Right. And sometimes stress or nervousness makes grammar disappear.
Okay, let's talk about prepositions, the silent troublemakers.
Haha, yes. Prepositions are like tiny landmines in English.
The big one, discuss about.
Oh, yes. You don't discuss about something, you discuss it. Let's discuss the plan.
Or explain me. It should be explain to me.
Yes. Explain this to me, not explain me this.
I also hear married with a lot.
Yes. In English, you're married to someone, not with someone.
Now, let's talk about vocabulary mistakes that sound small but change the meaning.
You mean like fun versus funny?
Yes, you are funny means you make people laugh, but you are fun means you're enjoyable to be around.
I had a student tell their boss, "Sir, you are very funny." It got awkward very fast.
That's why learning emotional meaning is important.
Same with sensible and sensitive.
Yes, sensible means practical. Sensitive means emotional. Okay, this next one is huge. Pronunciation mistakes people make without realizing.
Oh, yes. Like saying every letter of every word too clearly.
Yes, English drops sounds like comfortable, not comfortable.
Or Wednesday, not Wednesday.
Learners think speaking clearly means pronouncing every syllable, but natural English connects sounds.
Very true. And avoiding contractions makes speech robotic.
Yes, saying I will not instead of I won't, or I am going to instead of I'm gonna.
Contractions are everywhere. Avoiding them sounds unnatural.
Okay, Daniel, here's a mistake most learners never think about. Stress.
Yes, stress changes everything. For example, I didn't say he stole it means something different from I didn't say he stole it.
Exactly. English lives in rhythm, not in fast speed.
Yes, fluent English is like waves, strong and soft beats.
That's such a beautiful way to describe it.
Thank you. But really, stress patterns are part of fluency.
Okay, here's a fun one. overusing very.
Yes, very, very tired. Instead, use stronger adjectives. Exhausted, thrilled, tiny, huge.
Exactly. Vocabulary isn't about big words, it's about precise words. Another common mistake, more better.
Oh, yes. It's either better or much better, not more better.
Same with more easier, more faster.
Right. English comparatives don't need more.
Another mistake, adding unnecessary words like return back.
Yes, return already means come back. So return back is like saying go back.
Yes, same with repeat again.
Exactly. Repeat means doeth again.
This one is interesting. Learners often use passive voice too much,
Yes, because they think it sounds professional.
but native speakers prefer active voice, simple, direct, clean.
And passive voice makes the sentence long and confusing.
Another hidden mistake, translating sentences word by word.
Yes, it makes English sounds unnatural because grammar structures differ.
Thinking in English avoids weird literal expressions.
Exactly. Even simple things like open the light, that happens due to translation.
Daniel, do you have any memorable teaching stories related to these mistakes?
Oh, yes. I had one student who always said, I am boring, when she meant I am bored.
Oh no!
Yes, she accidentally told a whole meeting that she is a boring person.
That must have been awkward.
We fixed it quickly, but these mistakes show how small words change big meanings.
Absolutely. And it's not about judging, it's about learning.
You know what I noticed, Maya? Many learners worry too much about small mistakes.
Yes, and that fear blocks fluency.
Exactly. The goal isn't perfect English, the goal is comfortable English.
Yes, comfortable English. I love that phrase.
The best way to fix these hidden mistakes is awareness.
Yes, when you hear natives speak, notice how short their sentences are.
Notice their stress patterns, contractions, small verbs, tone.
Yes, English is emotional, not just structural.
And practice speaking slowly, with intention.
Fluency is not speed, it's flow. Daniel, this has been such a valuable conversation.
I agree. These mistakes are small, but fixing them brings big improvement.
Absolutely. And to our listeners, don't feel bad about mistakes. They're signs that you're learning, growing, and improving.
Exactly. Every fluent person was once a beginner.
And every beginner becomes fluent through practice, awareness, and patience.
So keep going. Speak more. Listen more. Notice patterns.
And don't be afraid of sounding imperfect. We all are.
That's the beauty of language. It's human.
Thank you for joining me today, Daniel.
Always a pleasure, Maya.
And to our amazing listeners, thank you for tuning in to Talk Fluent English. We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone. And remember, small corrections build big fluency.